What's good, peeps? It's been a minute, but figured I'd bring y'all along with me today for my work day. My season ended October, it was before October 19th, I believe. Grass just wasn't growing very much. So I haven't really been working since then, and finally found some work. I got this overgrown property that I'm gonna be working on. I don't know what they want me to do with all these because, I mean, yeah, it's overgrown, but these people got evicted and left the property like trash. So, bunch of trash over there. I came here probably a year or two ago, and the same thing happened. People just don't take care of the property. The curb's all bad. I gotta get all these tree limbs, shits out of the fence. Clean up the fence line, the curb line. Front of the property is pretty tall. I probably won't cut any of that because it's like natural. When I was here a year or two ago, the grass was probably taller than the post everywhere. I might have to cut that down over there. Definitely get rid of all this. And this stuff right here. Big old pile too. About to start on the outside, work the curb and gutter. And I'll show you guys from there on out. Ooh, I better not hit that post. Good thing I seen that. Okay, let me walk along this curb so you guys can see fully. All this freaking trash. This stuff's pretty tall too. Yeah, but that's about it on this property, and then I have some gutter repair and gutter clean to do as well. I don't know if that'll be in today. I don't know if I would get that today. We'll just see how the day goes. I finished mowing. My blades are dull as hell, so had to go over it a couple times, as you guys seen. Now I'm gonna go around with these cutters, get all these freaking, I don't even know what you call them, volunteers out of the fence, all right here. Then I'll probably trim all this, edge the sidewalk, and then we'll see what we could do with that mess back there. Here's some of the progress so far. Fucking mud was all the way down. Getting there slowly. This side's done for now. Not too worried about the edges, how they're not completely straight, because this is a city violation. It's not the homeowner. They're gonna get fined if I didn't get all this mud and grass and stuff caked up off the sidewalk. I cleaned up the curb a little bit. I'll do some more when I finish the whole property. That way I'm not trying to do 10 different things at once. So we got all these along the fence line. God dang. There's like 100 of these. Cut all this down. Get all this trash out of there. Cut those. That's like a damn tree. Cut these away from the fence. These. That. Gotta trim that. The trimmer. Pick this pile up. That one over there. And then this. So I'm gonna cut this stuff down and put it in the driveway because the trailer has both mowers on there. Trailer is full pretty much. So once everything in the driveway, go home, get the mowers off, and you come back later today or tomorrow and pick this stuff up. Boys, I'm back here. Show you what I got done yesterday. You guys remember the sidewalk was all built over and pretty tall. Did the whole sidewalk. Still got a little bit of touch up. Did the front side too, for the most part, I believe. Some crackheads yelling over there. Yep. I'd call this front side good. Maybe need to trim some of this more. It's really just the leaves that make it look bad. Got all that. Got this front deal done. I blew this off yesterday. Now I just got the little saplings around the property. And I'm gonna do all them trees. Those crackheads kidding it. Oh shit, here he comes. I'm gonna go do these. I'll show you guys that when I get closer. Forgot to show the before, but I had to come mow this yard. It was pretty tall. It's the little duplex. So you can see what that one looks like. It looked just like that one. Looks pretty good now though. On to the next job where I was yesterday. just went weeded, trimmed around the house. Got all that. Gotta cut this stuff down right there. Probably cut this little shit down. Same right there. Just trimmed everything. Probably leave these. They're in the middle of the yard in a little enclosed flower bed type thing. Probably cut that down. Need to take that away from the fence. That little stuff. I need to get rid of all this crap. This crap. That's what I'm about to work on right now. I'm about to put this stuff out there, that stuff out there, and then cut all this. Put it all out there. Trim against the fence line all the way around, and I have to go drop the stuff off, and then I'll be able to come back and grab this stuff. Freaking junk. It's a lot of work for one guy. Yeah, let's get it though. There's a little update. Just been grinding. Dang. You guys see how many that shit was? This whole thing was full. I don't think that was there yesterday. Somebody might be in there. It's pretty much done for the most part, the majority of it. Everything's cut, all this trash right here. Obviously, I was gonna take the mowers home, but this guy pulled up and wants me to go see about cutting these trees at his property. So I'm gonna go do that real quick, take the mowers home, and then come back for all this trash. Majority of it's done. There's trash here and there that I'm gonna have to pick up when I come back for this stuff. Got all this stuff down, all this stuff. I have to get that trash. All this stuff. And I tried to get time lapses and record me doing stuff for you, but the tripod I had that was like 6 foot, I left at this house I was working at like last year. I forgot it and I just never ended up getting it back. So cut the stuff down right there. There's 2 trees behind the deal. I cut some of this down. So I told you guys I was gonna leave that. Then I cut the grass for the most part. Took care of some of this. And then I blew everything off. Got the sidewalk all good. Cut all that. Majority of it's done. Finally, I've spent like 4, 5, 6, 7, like 7 hours, 8 hours on this job so far. I'm not too used to doing it by the hour, I guess you could say. But yeah, I gotta come back for all this trash and we'll be out of here. Big old trees that was right there. Figured I'd show you guys before I left. You're not have to come back. Probably end up taking that railroad tie too. Just getting the finishing touches and then this job is done.